Okay, quick little video here. Just came across playing around with MAME. So what have I got going here? I've got the sounds drive. I found that just bring your sounds, just make it all mono. And also, what did AHI was that I put? Okay, that's how I did it as well last time. Okay, so that was the last used. It hashes it out, the last one used, so that was the last settings I used. They seem to work quite well. Auto phrase can vector anti-aliasing, translucency. I'm not sure what that stuff does. Screen type best. Workbench custom select. Okay. Direct mode I had off. I'm just going to draw, whatever that means. But the game I'm going to choose. Oh, that's what's running Double Dragon. Double Dragon bootlegs. So here we go. I have to quit out the music. Oh, the music's still playing. No. No, we don't want to do that, do we? Uh-oh. Oh well. We got... Well, the game's playing. There's no sound, obviously, because I'm playing a mod. But here you go. That's new. Bit of... that might be the draw mode. So let's... I never expected this to happen, but... we'll get back to DOS. Might take a while. So back to where we left off. To reboot on that one. Just want to try Double Dragon. This one, display. Okay. So somehow it's got back to these settings. I don't know why I can't change them. But that's not going to work. So let's quit that. Try it again. Okay, here we go. So yeah, set support. Okay, but not sure if this means that that's what it was set to last time. Let's see if there's a difference. Well, let's see what I was on last time. I had this stuff on. Did I? Don't know what that does, but let's remove it. And direct mode is off. So let's see. No, what have I done? Okay, let's do that. Deselected use defaults just in case it does something. That was quite quick. Okay, so we do have sound. It's not great, but it's sound. And this is running fast. It's good. Come here. That'll teach you. Again. And again. Right. Oh, still. This guy's a rock made head. Oh jeez. Come on. Where's his super headbutt? No. So there might be a bit of a slowdown to get to the bigger graphics. We'll try and get some action happening on the screen. We've got sound. Lots of few enemies coming back. And, oh, the headbutt works every time. No, don't get in front of me. Come on, headbutt him. Right, just as soon as we get past these guys, we can get to see. No. Wait, so what if I add a second player? Oh, there's the second player's walking down this way. Oh, might be a little bit of a slowdown, I'm not sure. You can definitely play with the keyboard. So there we have the setup. Okay. And escape gets us back to workbench.